self-doubt. I denounce my crown, yet I still remain the one in this game. Hall of lames, I salute you. Just cause you like to kick it with your homies and watch Goof Troop, Spaceballs, viral videos on YouTube, I'm here with you. I question myself, do I really want fame? Then again, I question that question. Based upon this, why should it be so hard for me to elaborate, maintain an explanation to explain my subconscious? At times has my mind in a day's maze. PTSD stood in my way, now Mary Jane released the pain from my brain, leaving me with a smile on my face. Fate is clear, yeah, now it feels like with time I'm always in a race. But in the creation of a face, I can finally see no evil in these people, just love, no hate. The pearl gates have erased the past away. I would black out, white out, hallucinate, faint. Now this light in my life has made me sane. The stormy weather pours now a distant rain. In my distance I can vision a future now with no broken dishes. Wishful thinking is wishful wishing. I'm a dreamer dreaming to oblivion at these skeletons. I'm screaming from my soul, cast me from these demons. Lift me, no one but myself and God can reach me. Teachers have tried to teach me, books and readings. ADD, ADHD, bipolar disorder, popping Ritalin like candy. 5 years old, my parents doped me. They were shaped like runts, as if they were trying to trick me. Therapists have been in my life since I can remember breathing. Psychological testing, I'm just trying to ask mom and dad what is the reasons for this mistreating. Kids would pick on me, I was mistreated. 6th grade pushed into locker, 7th grade I pushed back. 8th grade kissed my first girl under the bleachers. 9th grade to 11th, marching band, saxophone, London's New Year's Day parade. 3rd grade I was a page to a king with greed, I was born for the stage. Senior year took a toll in my life, pills became my trade. I would fake at the breakfast table, slip off to school and get paid. Meanwhile my addiction was spreading like the end of days. A masquerade of a zombie raid in my membranes. I would pop and pop and pop until I felt so high, yes, the high it gave me was insane. Selling and popping, I would run out now more often, making me rage like a grenade. These drugs controlled my life, a test monkey I was to the government, locked in a cage. Turn the key, there goes the clock again. 3:15, I wanted a better fix, so I tried cocaine. On top of that, drinking, sedating myself with synthetic heroin. Loved ones would always take the blame. My best friend was lost, drugs were my friends, and of course the fiends. Triple C got a hold of me, robo-tripping, tripped myself to a craze. Mental patients are mental patients. I felt so free like I was floating on a lake. Finally got caught up when I was pushing 100 vials of Novocaine. My family had had enough, had two choices, jail or pick a branch of the military. I chose Navy. For now this concludes my self-delusions, contemplated intrusions of why the verses I spit are scary and mean. Cross that with the T. So gentlemen and ladies, I will stop the story here. My life is now clear why I have lived the past 6 years in fear of my arrears, avoiding my family's tears. I guess what got me unstuck was the fact that I was struck by a heel. Took into faith with the baptism to the holy gospel. I sip life now like I was sipping from the holy grail. Now I can feel what is real. I have taken the bulls by the horns. Life is a wheel.